Police emergency. What location do you need the police?
Hello. My name's Austin, and I'm outside beach.
Mhm.
I have two siblings, Bo and Grace. Bo is 12 and Grace is 8. We went out on a kayak trip and a paddleboard trip, and we took out to sea, and we got lost out there, and now we got lost around about I don't know what time it was, but it was a very long time ago. You know, we couldn't get back to shore, and Mum told me to go back to get help. And then I haven't seen them since. I think they're kilometres out in sea. I think we need a helicopter to go find them. I'm sitting on the beach right now, and I have to also explain, I think I need an ambulance because I think I have hypothermia.
I'm just talking to Sam. Bear with me. Can you tell me your last name, Austin?
Applebee. Applebee.
So it's Mum is out there with kids as well. Is that right?
Yeah, and I don't know what their condition is right now, and I'm really scared.